Planning to drive in the USA? Then car insurance is not just an option, it's a must. Every state requires drivers to carry at least liability coverage before getting on the road. Car insurance protects you financially. If you cause an accident, liability insurance pays for the other person's medical bills and property damage. Without it, you could face thousands of dollars in expenses. But liability is just the beginning. Collision coverage pays for repairs to your own car after an accident, and comprehensive coverage protects you from theft, fire, or natural disasters. Some states also require personal injury protection, which covers your medical bills no matter who is at fault. And uninsured motorist coverage keeps you safe if the other driver doesn't have insurance. Getting insurance in the USA is simple. First, check your state's minimum requirements. Then compare quotes online or through agents. You'll need your driver's license, vehicle details, and address. Once you choose a plan and pay the premium, you'll receive an insurance card. Always keep it in your car. Your cost depends on factors like your age, location, car type, and driving record. Foreign or new drivers may pay higher rates, but discounts are available for safe driving, policy bundles, or safety features. In short, car insurance in the USA keeps you safe, legal, and financially protected. Before starting your journey, make sure you're covered, drive safe, and enjoy the road ahead.